DonDon. I'm finna give y'all a tutorial on my braid down pattern and the steps I take to do my braid down pattern for my wigs. Stay tuned, and y'all already know, never let nobody tell y'all what y'all cannot do. You do that shit any motherfucking ways, period. Cause I'm sure they said I ain't know how to do wigs, but bitch wear, bitch wear, bitch.
Come on, you finna be my stripper for my birthday this year?
After I'm done wiping my forehead off with my alcohol, I go through my wig with my hot comb, and this is a 613 wig. I just ordered it off some little sad place on Amazon or whatever, and it's actually a good wig. I like it very much. It don't shed. I ain't have too much of no problem with it, but this little piece right here just irritating. But you know, it is what it is. That's why I swooped it to the back, because I ain't flat ironed it yet, and I ain't have flat irons right now, but y'all get it. I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna post a picture. However, I'm still like kind of hitting the ends once I done, you know, did my little 1-2 with it. Got my girls going on. Stop it. Now I'm combing it out with my little pintail comb, which is fine. And I swooped it to the back, and I have not put my little got to be on there, the little spray or whatever, but it's cool with the little slick stick. Stop playing. And I'm finna hit it with the hot comb. And it was so difficult trying to do, like, lay it down with my left hand, with my right hand on my left side. Like, that was so awkward as ever. But I got it. Here you go, right here. I'm finna get it. Because I was like, all right, I'm gonna do it like this. Bam. Bam. Stop playing. Don't play with no me, because ain't no help finna play with me. Yes, this is the bomb. No cap. And I'm finna do my little 1-2. Then I'm gonna be done. Let me know what y'all think. This is my first time.
If you know, you know. Never been no phony though. Rolling by my rolly though.
Never let nobody tell y'all what y'all cannot do. You do that shit any motherfucking ways, period. Because I'm sure they said I ain't know how to do wigs, but bitch wear, bitch wear, bitch.
Rosa on the track.